Are you a busy mom, feeling like you're constantly juggling 100 things and just wish there was a career that actually fit into your life? I get it. It's tough to find something that lets you work from home, make a solid income, and still be there for your family. Today, I'm going to share why bookkeeping could be the perfect fit for you. And the best part? You don't need a degree or years of experience. Plus, if you want to see exactly how to get started, there's a free masterclass from Bookkeeper Launch that is packed with insights on starting your own bookkeeping business and all the basics you need to get up and running. I have dropped the sign-up link in the description below. Now, let's dive in and see why bookkeeping might be the career change you've been looking for. Why do moms need bookkeeping jobs? Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Bookkeeping? Is that really something I can jump into now with everything I've got going on? Well, here's the deal. Bookkeeping offers flexibility, a steady income, and the chance to work right from home. And I'm about to break down the top 3 reasons why it's exactly what busy moms like you need. Stick with me, because this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Reason number 1, flexibility. This is huge. Let's be real. Most careers just don't offer the kind of flexibility that a mom needs. But with bookkeeping, you set your hours. Imagine being able to work around your family's schedule, not the other way around. You're not tied to a strict 9 to 5, so if you need to take a break to pick up the kids or handle things around the house, you can. I've seen so many moms who manage to fit bookkeeping into their lives, even if they only have an hour or two here and there. It's one of the few careers where you can actually make a good income without giving up your family time. And that brings us to reason number 2, which is pretty game-changing if you're looking for something reliable. Reason number 2, steady, reliable income. Reason number 2 is all about income. Bookkeeping provides a steady, reliable source of income. Think about it. Every business, whether it's a local coffee shop or an online store, needs someone to keep their finances in check. And that need doesn't go away, even during tough economic times. Businesses have to stay organized with their finances no matter what, which makes bookkeeping one of the most stable fields you can get into. Imagine having clients who count on you month after month. You're not chasing seasonal work or trying to keep up with gig economy trends. You're building relationships with clients who need you regularly, and that means more reliable income for you. So, if you're after a career that brings both flexibility and steady income, bookkeeping is looking pretty great so far. But let's get into the third reason, which makes it even more appealing for busy moms. Reason number 3, low barrier to entry. Reason number 3 is what makes bookkeeping so perfect for moms who are ready to start something new. There's a low barrier to entry. You don't need a degree in accounting, and you don't need years of experience. Bookkeeping is a skill you can learn with just a bit of training, and once you know the basics, you're good to go. I know moms who started their bookkeeping businesses with absolutely no experience. They learned a few basics about finances, picked up some bookkeeping software like QuickBooks, and started working with small clients. It's that simple. You can start small, build your confidence, and grow from there at your own pace. Addressing common doubts. Now, I know you might be wondering, but can I really do this without any experience? Will I actually be able to find clients? And the answer is yes. So many moms have successfully launched their bookkeeping businesses from scratch, with zero experience to start. The key is getting the right training and taking small steps. Begin with a few clients, build up your experience, and you'll be surprised at how quickly you can grow. You don't have to be perfect to start. It's okay to learn as you go, and there's actually a huge need for reliable bookkeepers who are just willing to do the basics and keep things organized. Clients need someone they can trust more than they need an expert with a finance degree. So there you have it. If you're a mom looking for a career that brings flexibility, steady income, and doesn't require a ton of upfront experience, bookkeeping could be exactly what you need. Imagine finally having a job that fits your life, not the other way around. Imagine earning reliable income without sacrificing family time. This is your chance to make a change that really works for you. And if you're ready to get started, or just want to see if bookkeeping is a fit for you, check out the free masterclass I mentioned before. The link is in the description below. Make the change you deserve. You've got this.